Find the current through the 1W resistor in figure 3.11. Solution.
Step I. When the 100V source is acting alone, figure 3.12. By series of parallel reduction technique, figure 3.13.
I = 100. 40 plus 67 21. A 41. From figure 3.12, by current division rule. I times 2141 2. 21 plus. Times 41.
Step 2. When the 50V source is acting alone, figure 3.14. By series of parallel reduction technique, figure 3.15.
I 50. 1 plus 33.
A 46 equals 21.46A minus. Step 3. When the 40V source is acting alone, figure 3.16. By series of parallel reduction technique, figure 3.17.
I = 40. 08214. A 29. From figure 3.16, by current division rule. Times I 1429 4. 41 plus. Times 29. Step 4 by superposition theorem.
I plus equals minus plus equals 1427, 2146, 1143 424.
27 21. 43 4.